Hello, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. David Thompson, and I'm an expert in aging health. Now let's be honest. Have you looked in the mirror lately and noticed your skin seems a little dull? Maybe a little tired? Perhaps the wrinkles feel deeper than they did last year. It's completely natural, but that doesn't mean you just have to accept it. We've all seen those expensive creams and serums promising the world, but the truth is, the key to truly smooth, vibrant, and wrinkle-free skin isn't on the outside. It's on the inside. The loss of that youthful glow, the dryness, the fine lines, it all contributes to feeling less energetic, less you. The good news? You can absolutely turn things around with simple, enjoyable changes you can start today. We're going to tackle aging skin not just with one simple secret drink, but with an entire plan. Stay with me until the end where I reveal the delicious science-backed golden elixir that works wonders from within. And let me know in the comments if that feeling of dull, tired skin sounds familiar. Habit number 1, the anti-aging breakfast swap. Let's start with what you put in your body first thing in the morning. This is important. For years, we've enjoyed toast or a sugary cereal, but these high-glycemic foods can actually accelerate the breakdown of collagen in your skin through a process called glycation. Think of it as a hidden internal sugar attack on your youthful plumpness. Instead, I want you to make a simple switch. Swap your usual breakfast for a bowl of oatmeal topped with a handful of dark berries, like blueberries or raspberries. You'll be surprised how easy this is. Why this swap? Oats are low glycemic, keeping your blood sugar stable, which is great for your skin and your energy. But the real heroes are the berries. They are absolutely loaded with antioxidants, specifically compounds that fight off free radicals, the microscopic villains that cause wrinkles. Practical how-to. It only takes 2 minutes. Just swap your usual breakfast for a half cup of rolled oats with a dash of cinnamon and half a cup of frozen or fresh berries. You can prepare the oats the night before. They call it overnight oats. And then just add the berries in the morning. It's a breakfast classic for a reason. Enjoyed from the US to the UK and Australia. This habit will not only help your skin glow, but will also help keep your energy steady so you can stay active and enjoy time with your grandchildren without that midday slump. If you're finding this practical advice helpful, give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us bring you more science-backed health tips for your golden years. Habit number 2, the 2-minute facial flow. Now let's move on to tip 2, a simple technique that's more about circulation than expensive creams. I call it the 2-minute facial flow. Think about why our skin gets duller. It's often because blood flow slows down. When you boost circulation, you're delivering fresh oxygen and nutrients directly to your skin cells. It's like giving your skin a refreshing drink from the inside. The science here is simple. Gentle massage stimulates the lymphatic system, which helps drain away toxins, reducing puffiness, especially around the eyes and jawline. This will help you not only feel better but also look more vibrant and stay sharp. Practical how-to. You only need 2 minutes every evening when you wash your face. Warm up, 30 seconds. Using a gentle cleanser or just your fingertips, use light circular motions to massage your temples and forehead. Lift and drain, 60 seconds. Place your knuckles gently under your cheekbones and slowly push upward and outward toward your ears. This helps lift the face. Then, take your index and middle fingers and gently stroke them down the side of your neck, from behind your ear to your collarbone. This is the draining part. It encourages the lymphatic system. Finish, 30 seconds. Pat a light moisturizer or even a few drops of coconut oil gently onto your face. Imagine how good it feels to have a gentle massage. Your skin appreciates it just as much. This is the fun part. You'll be surprised how easy this is. And the results, a brighter complexion, less puffiness, will show quickly. Habit number 3. Protect your skin's foundation. Our third essential habit is all about protection. If you're in the US, the UK, or Australia, you know we love being outdoors, whether it's gardening or going for a walk in the park. But the number one culprit for wrinkles and dull skin, the foundation of aging, is sun damage. Even on a cloudy day, those UV rays are breaking down your precious collagen. Collagen, as you know, is what keeps your skin plump and resilient, like a new mattress. The mistake many make is only using sunscreen at the beach. But everyday exposure from driving or a quick walk to the mailbox adds up. A landmark study showed that people who used broad-spectrum sunscreen daily had 24% less skin aging than those who didn't. That's a massive difference. Practical how-to. Make applying sunscreen your final step every morning, just like putting on your clothes. I recommend an SPF of 30 or higher, and look for broad spectrum on the label. Keep a small tube by the front door or near your keys as a reminder. You don't need much, just a pea-sized amount for your face. This simple protection habit will not only protect against wrinkles, but is also a critical part of staying healthy and sharp for years to come by protecting against more serious issues. All right, we've covered the 3 essential habits: the antioxidant breakfast, the facial flow, and sun protection. These are your skin's daily armor. But now it's time for the real secret. Are you ready for the secret drink that can take your skin health to the next level? Comment yes below if you're excited. The moment you've been waiting for. The secret drink that can restore your skin's glow and smooth out wrinkles is what I call the golden elixir. It's not some expensive exotic concoction. It's a simple, delicious drink you can make in your own kitchen. The key ingredients are turmeric, black pepper, and coconut milk. The recipe: the golden elixir. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or a 1-inch piece of fresh, grated turmeric. 1 cup of warm coconut milk, or almond milk if you prefer. A small pinch of black pepper, optional. A teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Practical how-to. Simply warm your coconut milk on the stove or in the microwave. Stir in the turmeric, black pepper, and sweetener until combined. Sip it slowly, either in the morning or as a relaxing evening drink. You can easily make a batch for 3 days and store it in the fridge. I recommend having 1 cup every day. This simple drink will not only help your joints, but will also help you move comfortably and feel younger for years to come by addressing inflammation head-on. Now let's get into the science of why this blend is so powerful. It comes down to one incredible compound: curcumin. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, and it is one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatories and antioxidants. Chronic low-level inflammation is the silent culprit behind not just joint pain, but also the breakdown of collagen and elastin in your skin, leading to wrinkles. Curcumin tackles that inflammation directly. It's like an internal fire extinguisher for your aging process. But here's the secret kicker: black pepper. Curcumin on its own is poorly absorbed by the body, but the black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which increases the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Yes, you heard that right. Without the pepper, you're missing out on nearly all the skin-boosting benefits. The coconut milk provides healthy fats, which also help your body absorb fat-soluble curcumin, making the entire drink a powerhouse. This simple, delicious elixir is working from the inside out to keep your skin plump, glowing, and smooth. If you want more simple, effective recipes like this, make sure to hit that bell icon and turn on notifications so you never miss a video in this Ageless Health Series. Let's quickly summarize your complete daily plan for gorgeous, vibrant skin. These simple steps: the antioxidant breakfast swap, the 2-minute facial flow, daily sun protection, and the golden elixir can truly transform your skin's vitality. Remember, the goal here isn't to look 20 again. It's to look your absolute best at this stage of life, healthy, vibrant, and energetic. We want to help you feel younger and maintain the independence and quality of life you deserve. Imagine waking up and seeing that bright, healthy glow in the mirror, feeling comfortable in your own skin, and knowing you're doing everything you can to look and feel fantastic. These simple steps will get you there. You have the power to influence how your body ages, and it all starts with small, consistent actions. Thank you so much for watching. Now I want to hear from you. Which tip are you trying first? Will you make the golden elixir today, or start the morning berry swap? Leave it in the comments below. I personally read them all. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel for more science-backed health advice, and share it with a friend who might also benefit. And next up, you won't want to miss our next video. Drink this water every day to boost your immune system. Don't miss it. Until then, stay healthy, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.